Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo brother, jumpa lagi bersama saya Toba Woodworking. Video kali ini kita akan merekomendasikan dua alat tukang. Dan ini yang pertama ada wood roll meter atau bisa disebut meteran bolak-balik. Menurut saya meteran ini cocok untuk semua jenis para tukang. Mempunyai 3 varian yaitu 7,5 meter, 5 meter, dan terakhir ada 3 meter. Untuk spesifikasi wood roll meter ini yaitu pertama, bahan plat ini sangat tebal dan kuat, tidak mudah patah. Selain itu ukuran lebar plat 22 mm, ini berarti lebar plat meternya lebih lebar dari plat meteran pada umumnya. Dan meteran ini bisa bolak-balik, ini maksudnya penunjuk ukuran ada di depan dan di belakang. Keseluruhan bahan berkualitas, enak digenggam, tidak mudah patah dan tidak mudah pecah meski jatuh dari ketinggian. Nah, kira-kira seperti itu brother. Untuk lebih jelasnya bisa teman-teman lihat di kolom deskripsi. Kemudian kita lihat alat tukang yang kedua yaitu F Klem. Clamp F atau Catok F berfungsi untuk membantu menahan atau menjepit bidang kayu yang kita kerjakan agar tidak berubah posisi yang kita inginkan. Kemudian pada umumnya Clamp F ini berfungsi sebagai alat teknik kerja kayu sebagai piranti penjepit bidang dalam teknik pengeleman.
Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Ini tersedia beberapa ukuran sesuai yang kita butuhkan saat kerja kayu. Bahan kokoh, di atas ini ada guratan garis-garis. Ini tujuannya supaya lebih kuat saat digunakan pengepresan. Kemudian gagang dari karet, jadi sangat nyaman dan bisa kencang maksimal saat diputar.
Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit and I go crazy when I'm mad. I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.
Terakhir, ini kita informasikan bahwasanya brand cap mata juga banyak mengeluarkan beberapa alat teknik pertukangan lainnya.
mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit and I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you gon' wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Oke sobat, demikian review kali ini. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Untuk info lanjut bisa klik link di kolom deskripsi. Sekian dulu dari saya, sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want.